Word pick of the day, Ulan edition! Madungog ninyo? Hi, I'm Teacher Carla. I'll teach you English in Bisaya way! Our word pick for today is subtle. Subtle. Unsa kani siya sa Bisaya? Unsaon kani siya pag Bisaya? In this word pick series, ato ang sabto ng isa ka English term according sa context clues nga naa sa iyahang sentence. Now, let's read our sentence. He gave a subtle hint by raising his eyebrow instead of directly correcting the answer. Ang available context clues nga nasa to sentence kay hint o kaning iyang actions. Kung mo ka ganig hint, dili good na siya pa obvious. Parang a little bit subtle lang yun ang imuhang pag-give og mga meanings and everything. Kung mag-raise pagka og eyebrow instead of directly correcting the answer, then pasabot, you are only giving or signaling something which is not grande. Dili kaayo obvious ang imong mga gipakita nga signs. Therefore, ang subtle kay gamay lang. Gamay lang. Dili kayo obvious. Okay? Unsa gani ni? Good job! That's our English for today. Skala taong ma. Bye!